Welcome to the vibrant city of Miami, a dazzling gem nestled on the southeastern coast of Florida. Renowned for its stunning beaches, pulsating nightlife, rich cultural tapestry, and architectural marvels, Miami is a destination that beckons travelers from all corners of the globe. But while the allure of this sun-drenched paradise is undeniable, navigating the city without breaking the bank is an art in itself. In this comprehensive guide, we'll unlock the secrets to experiencing the magic of Miami while adhering to a budget. Whether you're a solo adventurer, a family on vacation, or a group of friends seeking an unforgettable getaway, you'll find invaluable tips and tricks to save money without compromising on the fun and excitement that Miami promises. From timing your visit to uncovering hidden gems, and from savoring local delicacies to engaging in free activities, we've got you covered. So pack your bags and prepare to embark on an exhilarating journey to Miami, where adventure awaits at every corner, all while keeping your wallet happy. Timing is everything when it comes to planning a budget-friendly trip to Miami. While the city dazzles year-round, visiting during the off-peak season can lead to substantial savings. Generally, the months of June to September are considered off-peak due to the warmer temperatures and increased likelihood of rain. However, this period also promises fewer tourists, reduced rates on accommodations, and the unique opportunity to experience Miami's summer festivals and events. Moreover, keep an eye out for special events or citywide conventions, as these can cause a spike in prices. Flexibility in your travel dates can be the key to unlocking significant discounts and enjoying a more relaxed, crowd-free vacation. Securing affordable flights and accommodation requires strategy and a bit of savvy. For flights, consider booking well in advance or being open to midweek travel. Utilize fare comparison websites and set up alerts for price drops to ensure you snag the best deal. Being flexible with your departure and arrival airports can also lead to unexpected savings. Sometimes flying into a nearby airport and then taking a short drive to Miami can be cheaper than a direct flight. When it comes to accommodation, Miami offers a spectrum of options to suit every budget. From luxurious beachfront hotels to cozy vacation rentals and hostels, the city caters to all. To save money, consider staying a bit further from the tourist hotspots or opting for accommodations with kitchen facilities to cut down on dining out expenses. Websites like Airbnb, Booking.com, and Hostel World are excellent resources for comparing prices and finding the best deals. Remember, the earlier you book, the more likely you are to secure a great rate, especially during peak travel seasons. Getting around Miami doesn't have to drain your wallet. The city's public transportation system is both efficient and economical. The Metro bus covers extensive routes throughout Miami, making it easy to reach major attractions and neighborhoods. The Metro Rail is another cost-effective option, ideal for swiftly commuting between the airport, downtown Miami, and other key areas. For shorter distances within downtown, the Metro Mover is a boon. It's free and connects major downtown locations. For those who prefer pedal power, City Bike, Miami's bike-sharing program, offers a healthy and scenic way to explore the city. With numerous stations dotted around, it's convenient to pick up and drop off bikes as you please. Walking is, of course, the most budget-friendly option, and Miami's picturesque streets, especially in areas like South Beach, offer the perfect backdrop for a leisurely stroll. Miami's culinary scene is as vibrant as its culture, and enjoying this doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. Dine like a local and venture into neighborhoods like Little Havana or Little Haiti, where authentic and affordable eateries serve up delicious cuisines. Food trucks are another budget-friendly option, offering everything from Cuban sandwiches to fresh seafood. Happy hours are widespread in Miami and present an excellent opportunity to enjoy discounted drinks and appetizers. Many restaurants and bars offer these specials, so keep an eye out for signs or ask locals for their recommendations. Self-catering is another great way to save. If your accommodation includes kitchen facilities, visit local markets like the Coconut Grove Organic Market or supermarkets to stock up on fresh, local produce. Preparing your own meals not only cuts costs, but also adds a personal touch to your travel experience. Miami is home to numerous attractions that won't cost you a dime. The pristine beaches are, of course, the city's highlight. Spend a day at South Beach, soak up the sun, and enjoy people watching without spending a penny. The historic Art Deco district is another must-see, offering a glimpse into Miami's iconic architectural style. For art enthusiasts, the Wynwood Walls feature a stunning collection of street art and murals, free for all to admire. Additionally, many of Miami's museums offer free admission days. The Perez Art Museum Miami, for example, offers free entry on the second Saturday of every month. Outdoor lovers can explore the city's numerous parks. Bayfront Park, located in downtown Miami, offers free yoga classes, while the Oleta River State Park, though it has a small entrance fee, provides a tranquil escape with activities like kayaking, biking, and hiking. To enjoy Miami's entertainment scene on a budget, look for discount passes and group rates. The Go Miami card, for instance, offers substantial savings on top attractions, tours, and activities. Group rates are often available for shows, water sports, and guided tours, so traveling with friends or family can be advantageous. Check local listings and social media for events and festivals. Many of these, especially community-driven or cultural events, offer free or low-cost admission. Live music can often be enjoyed in local bars or outdoor venues without an entrance fee, allowing you to experience Miami's vibrant nightlife without the hefty price tag. Shopping in Miami is an enticing prospect, but it doesn't have to lead to wallet woes. For budget-conscious shoppers, Miami offers a plethora of options that blend savings with the joy of discovering unique items. In today's digital age, technology is your ally in saving money. Before and during your trip, leverage apps and websites, town cover deals, track expenses, and navigate the city efficiently. Apps like Groupon or Living Social offer discounted rates for activities, dining, and spa services. Budgeting apps can help you monitor your spending and ensure you stay on track. A few additional practical tips can help stretch your budget even further. To avoid hefty roaming charges, use free Wi-Fi hotspots available in cafes, parks, and public spaces across Miami. Consider purchasing a local SIM card for longer stays to access affordable data plans. Packing smart can also save you money. Bring essentials like sunscreen, hats, and reusable water bottles to avoid tourist markups. If you plan on visiting the beach, pack your own towels and beach gear instead of renting them. Lastly, always ask about discounts. Many attractions and services offer reduced rates for students, seniors, military personnel, or AAA members. Don't hesitate to inquire. A simple question could lead to significant savings. Embarking on a Miami adventure doesn't have to strain your finances. With careful planning, savvy strategies, and an openness to explore, you can indulge in the vibrant culture, stunning landscapes, and dynamic atmosphere of this city without overspending. From enjoying the sun-kissed beaches to exploring cultural treasures, and from savoring local cuisine to capturing the essence of me through unique souvenirs, your journey is bound to be as enriching as it is economical. So, pack your bags, embrace these tips, and get ready to experience the best of Miami, all while preserving your budget and creating unforgettable memories.